I'm gonna show you how to turn on the child lock here on your LG washer and your LG dryer. These are front loaders. It's really simple to do. I got a nephew that likes to come and just turn on these buttons and change everything. I mean, he have it a mess. But let me show you how to do that. You see over here where it says option, it says hold for 3 seconds. It won't do nothing until you actually start the cycle. So you have to come over here, turn it, start the cycle. And once the cycle starts, you can come over here and hold this button for 3 seconds. You're gonna see CL pop up. Now it's in child's lock. So if your child or anybody come and push on this, nothing happened because the child lock is on. And to turn it off, you just hit this same button, hold it for 3 seconds, it'll turn it off. So now your buttons are not active. You just hit the button and turn it off. And here on your dryer, it's pretty much the same thing, but your child lock is right here. What you want to do, it says hold it for 3 seconds. Like I said, it won't work until you actually start a cycle. So you hit that start, come through, start your dryer. Once you start, come over here and hit this child lock for 3 seconds. You hold it for 3 seconds, you see that CL pop up. And now none of these buttons are active. So to turn it off, just come over here, hold it for 3 seconds, and you're good. Hit your off button. And that's how you turn the child lock on and off. Say for instance, you just don't want him to mess with it at all. Sometimes he'll come over here and just start pushing buttons before we start any washing, and he just have this thing a mess. So the only thing you need to do, just come and just unplug it. Now all the power is out. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.